picture and a picture and a picture and a picture. Looks like you need a PhD to put this on. Sugar baby. These are sanitary napkins. You're gonna need a glue gun. Pictures of men. Can we get an Oreo pie? Could have done better. Whoa, my nickels. A salute. Your candy bar is empty. Welcome back to my bathroom. Today, we're making crafts. Depending on your financial status, you may refer to this as crap. We've got last minute Halloween costumes. 5 of them. All of these are super high quality and range from $0 to $5-ish. So we're gonna hang out and make some costumes. For the first one, which is my favorite one, you're going to need a shirt. I picked this one up at Crazy Town, USA, Walmart. It's $4. Just peel this off unless you're gonna return it, then put the designs over the sticker. You need to print out some nickels. We're gonna glue these nickels on the back of this shirt. Nickelback. I don't have a colored printer, so when I first printed it out, oh wait, hang on. That's a different man. It looked like this. I called my neighbor to see if she had a colored printer. She has a colored printer. Y'all got some money over there. And when she brought the picture over to me, she was wondering who this was. I responded with, "Look at this photograph." And she didn't respond. As they say, no response is a response. If you think about it, the Nickelback song, Photograph, it isn't that bad. I think people just like to collectively hate on things. It sounds like the man was just singing his diary. I mean, some of the lyrics are a little lyric-y. How did our eyes get so red? You smoking the devil's lettuce. And what the hello is on Joey's head? And what the hell is on Joey's head? That's a hat. And this is where I went to school. Most of the time, had better things to do. Is this a haiku? Should I go back and try to graduate? Should I go back and try to graduate? What in the Kentucky is that? Oh, speaking of Kentucky, I found some new Kentucky water at the Walmart. With a low amount of 73 grams of sugar, this is voodoo flavor, mystery flavor. Oh no. I'm gonna need to go to church after that. You ever suck a Skittle? You ever just suck a Skittle? Tastes like that. After you get the coating off, the white stuff on the bottom, it tastes like that. And it's a lot. It's a lot of sugar, a lot of corn syrup. Wouldn't recommend. I'd give it a 2 out of 10. So this is Nickelback. How's it look? Look at this photograph. For this, you need a baby carrier. The other day I saw someone bowling with one of these on. The baby was coming eye to eye with the bowling ball. Now take a 10-pound bag of sugar. And you are now a sugar mama. If you indulge in any kind of adult beverages, potions, spirits, I would empty this sugar bag and put cotton balls or something in it. You're gonna have back pain. Check it out. If you ever see a man in his 30s, quite possibly his 20s, which is kind of nasty, with a 70-year-old woman, instead of being judgmental, just give him a little wink, a little salute, a head nod even. He's trying to pay off that college tuition, girl, let it go. Well, that could be his grandmother. We are in a recession. Let it go. Go on, Timothy. You enjoy your evening at the country club, playing checkers, crocheting, and going to bed at 7. Actually, that sounds fun. How do I sign up for that program? Now, this next one is not kid friendly. I don't think any kids are watching, but if they are, give the iPhone to your daddy. Let him watch it. Or if your daddy has a 90-year-old wife, give it to her. If I could wink, this is where I would wink. You see me, Ethel? You're gonna need a shirt. We'll repurpose the Nickelback shirt. At the Dollar Tree, they have these big eyes. Also at the D25 tree, they have maxi pads. Sure and fresh. You are the wind beneath my wings. Looks like this. You also need a PhD to use double-sided tape. It's up to you how you want to arrange this. I'm just gonna do the basic right here. iPad. Get off your iPad. Now this one is going to require a lot of men. I obviously prefer older men. I love gray hair. And Anthony Bourdain, whew, what a man, what a man. Could very well be daddy issues, I don't know. Let's just ask my dad and see. Hey, Dad, can you come here for a second? Everybody, friends, family, people of the internet, meet my father, who has been my greatest support system for my entire lifetime. My dad was one of those. Went out to get a carton of cigarettes and never came back. Yeah, it's probably daddy issues. But the gray hair to me is sexy. Not that fake gray hair. It has to be real gray hair. You've seen some stuff, but not too much stuff. When my partner met me, he started getting gray hair. I brought so much stress and trauma into your life. I changed your hair color. And I tell him all the time, it is so sexy. Women love it. This guy needs a conditioning treatment. Hard to tell because again, the black and white. Can't forget Cisco. Didn't want y'all to think I was only cutting white guys out here, okay? Next up we have P. Diddy. Too soon? I'm just kidding. Mega wealthy people do some dumb stuff. Can we agree upon that? I don't keep up with pop culture, news, weather, sports, anything. But I caught a little hearsay of the P. Diddy stuff at the gym. All I heard was strippers and baby oil. When you have too much money, life just isn't fun. Coming from someone who's never had too much money. To us regular folk, something like renting a scooter on a Sunday afternoon. I'm gonna go hop on this little motorized device, buzz around downtown, have a root beer. Is that firecrackers or gunshots? Buzz, buzz on my little scooter. And maybe we'll go to Subway or something. That's like a really nice day. But if you have millions of dollars, you turn into a straight up freak. The electric scooter ride isn't gonna give you the same dopamine hit as 20 hookers and meth. Hard to see this one. This is Nickelback, lead singer of Nickelback, I don't know his name, with ramen noodles as hair, ramen noodles. The black and white printer doesn't give it justice. He does kind of have a little stringy hair. Kind of like, I was watching it last night. Cody Brown from Sister Wives. I've been watching TV, y'all. Normally I don't watch TV movies, but I've been over-consuming television because we're turning off our cable. Well, we did turn off the cable just to save money because it was way too expensive. Do you need that? The answer is no. So anyway, to get the money's worth at the end, I've got 4 more days to watch Trash, and I've been watching Sister Wives. His hair kind of looks like that, the man with the 4 wives. Last night he was crying. He was crying because 3 of his 4 wives divorced him. Are we supposed to feel sorry for you because you married 4 women who have unique personalities, hormones, periods? Then you done popped out 25, 60, 40, 30 kids. Now those kids are popping out kids. You might as well open up an elementary school. Get that tax write-off. How can one human be married to 4 people and all their needs be met? Could you imagine the child support? After you've got your men cut out, you're gonna grab an umbrella. We're not gonna open it up inside because I am superstitious. No purses on the ground. Put the broom upside down. Salt over your shoulder. Keeps the witches out. We're gonna take the fishing line and tape our men to it. Then we're gonna tie it to the little, what? It's raining men. I'm sorry. It's raining men. Better. For this next high quality craft, these little pumpkins are from the Dollar Tree. I've got a headband. You're gonna glue the pumpkin on the band. This orange shirt is also from Walmart. Just slap this headband on. And you are now a pumpkin pie. When I was about probably 8, our teachers told us, class, tomorrow we're celebrating Pie Day. I'm looking around. Pie Day? We're gonna have chess pie? Apple pie? I'm riding the school bus home and all I can think about is Pie Day. All the delicious pies my cranky old goat teachers are gonna bring. I am dreaming about Pie Day. So the next day I roll up into school, ready to eat. Hell, I think I even brought my own fork. We get in class, I'm looking around, I don't see any pies. Brittnee, you're gonna go first for Pie Day. I'm gonna eat the first pie. My teacher looks at me and she's giving me the motion to go on. Hurry up. And I'm looking around. Where's the pie? Are we doing a pie eating contest? Recite pie. Oh, no. We are celebrating Pie Day, math and stuff. Not who can eat, bake, create, bring, showcase their pie. It's not that kind of pie. I'm not interested. I don't want anything to do with this number. So I do my best. I get the first 3 numbers, 3.14. And my teacher's looking at me like, really? Yeah, really. Because I went home daydreaming about pie. I'm hungry, not pie mathematics. I will never use this in my career. And guess what? The whole time I've had my 40 jobs, no one's ever asked me about pie. So anyway, this is pumpkin pie. Now lastly, you're gonna need to put on something fancy. We're gonna use this kit we got at the Walmart. Comes with the tiara and we have the Titanic necklace. On a piece of paper, you're gonna write these words. Apology. We're gonna cut this up and start taping this together. Just pretend these are even and neat. Things are going well. It's going to be a sash. They were fresh out of sashes at the Dollar Tree. Too many bachelorettes get married. Are you sure? Then make a giant loop-de-loop out of this thing. And if it's raining, you're screwed. You could laminate it. Formal apology. That wraps up our Halloween costume. Do it yourself. Craft time, crap time. Thanks again for being here for whatever these are. Don't forget to be kind to yourself, be kind to others. Drink water. We're drinking water. Or Kentucky water. Drive slow, and I will see you next time for something cool. Look at this mess. Get a scan of that.